cannot take up something that is not ours or within our jurisdiction. So if no one brings it up, no agreement is presented, there's nothing for us to take cognizance of. Yun din yung point ni Senator Drilon kanina kahapon, kaya ka tinatanong niya, ano ba yung oral agreement? Ano laman?
Pero sa diba, hindi na kailangan mag-hearing para you can summon any nila kanyang officials o DFA or represent o DFA?
Hindi, because of the fact that it was brought out yesterday, we can probably call for an inquiry or a hearing based on the privileged speech, not based on any oral agreement that has never been brought to us.
But sir, you agree na dapat isubina yung DFA? Dahil sila daw yung depository of information, hindi matawag sila.
Yung opinion na yun, I leave it to the members of the Committee on Foreign Relations.
Pero
I
dapat
do not want to impose on them the perspective of the Senate President.
Pero dapat mo magkaroon ng law na sinasabi ni Senator Tolentino para next time daw lahat ng agreements dapat nakasulat.
Well,
o hindi na kailangan.
that's the other side of the coin. The other side is the position of Senator Drilon that says everything is in place. Meron ganun eh. Meron namang pwedeng i-take up eh. Kung dadalhin mo sa amin. Bakit namin hihilahin ang hindi naman dinadala sa amin? That's the other side of the perspective eh.
Sir, kung
Bakit
hearing-
ba't namin pag-uusapan ang hindi naman dinadala sa amin?